Do it again. I want to try to get her.
Who gets that tea?
Move your legs fast. Sachi, look at Gwen. What's Gwen doing?
Making a snow angel. Oh, my hands are cold.
What are you doing, Sach? Look at Sachi's got her whole head in the snow. What you doing, Sachi?
She's eating snow.
I think she's looking for moles or animals.
Hi, baby. Hey. Mommy, these gloves are too big.
Do you want me to get your other ones? The dog likes to jump. Look at her leaping around.
Want to do what Gwenny does? What?
Watch out for the line net. You're going to trip on it.
I can't.
Whoa! There you go.
Mom.
Let's see a jump, Gwen.
Now let's jump out the thing.
Ready? Oh, look out for the dog. One.
Mommy,
Look out for the doggy! Okay. Yeah, don't hold hands with her. Ready? Good job, good job. Uh-oh. Natalie's hands are cold.